Welcome to Kidszoon TV. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's learn 25 insect animal name and know about them. Ants are social insects that belong to the family Formicidae. They are known for their highly organized and cooperative colonies, which can consist of thousands to millions of individual ants. Communication. Ants communicate primarily through chemical signals known as pheromones. These chemicals help them convey information about food sources, danger, and the location of other ants. Diverse species. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, and they can be found on almost every continent, except Antarctica. Diet. Ants are omnivorous, meaning they eat a wide range of foods. Their diet can include nectar, other insects, fruits, fungi, and even human food. Honeybees are a type of insect known for their crucial role in pollination and honey production. Honeybees are essential for the pollination of many crops that form a significant part of human diets, making them economically and ecologically valuable insects. Beekeeping is a practice where people maintain colonies of honeybees to harvest honey, beeswax, and support pollination in agriculture. However, honeybee populations worldwide have faced challenges, including habitat loss, pesticide exposure, and disease, which have led to concerns about their decline and the potential impact on food production. Efforts are being made to protect and conserve honeybee populations. Mosquitoes are small, flying insects that belong to the family Culicidae. They are known for their ability to feed on the blood of vertebrates, including humans, which makes them important vectors of various diseases. Diet. Most mosquito species feed on nectar from flowers, and only female mosquitoes require blood meals to develop and lay eggs. Female mosquitoes use their specialized mouthparts to pierce the skin of a host and feed on blood, while males primarily feed on plant nectar and other sugary substances. Breeding habitats. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in standing water, such as ponds, marshes, puddles, and even artificial containers like tires and buckets. Stagnant water provides an ideal environment for mosquito larvae to develop. Feeding behavior. Mosquitoes are attracted to their hosts by the carbon dioxide, body heat, and body odors emitted by warm-blooded animals, including humans. They use their specialized antennae to detect these cues from a distance. Grasshoppers are insects belonging to the order Orthoptera, which also includes crickets and katydids. Grasshoppers are fascinating insects with unique adaptations and ecological significance. They play important roles in food webs and ecosystems, and their interactions with plants and predators. Diet. Grasshoppers are herbivorous insects that primarily feed on plant materials. They are known for their voracious appetites and can consume large quantities of vegetation, making them both agricultural pests and important members of various ecosystems. Communication. Grasshoppers produce sounds by rubbing their wings or legs together in a process called stridulation. These sounds are used for communication, often as a mating call to attract females. Economic impact. Grasshoppers can be both beneficial and harmful to agriculture. While they can damage crops when their populations become too large, they also serve as a food source for various birds, mammals, and other insects. Cricket, a member of the family Grylidae, refers to the insect commonly found in many parts of the world. The family Grylidae encompasses a diverse group of crickets, and these insects are known for their interesting behaviors, especially their distinctive chirping, which varies in pitch and frequency depending on the species and environmental conditions. Diet. Crickets in the Grylidae family are omnivorous, meaning they consume a wide variety of food. They feed on plant matter, small insects, decaying organic material, and sometimes even each other. Economic uses. In some parts of the world, crickets are harvested for their protein and are considered a sustainable and nutritious food source. They are often processed into cricket flour or used in various dishes. Butterflies are beautiful and diverse insects belonging to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes moths. They are known for their striking colors, delicate wings, and unique life cycles. Butterflies are not only important for their ecological roles as pollinators but also serve as symbols of beauty and transformation in various cultures around the world. Observing these creatures in their natural habitats or gardens can be a captivating and rewarding experience. Diet: adult butterflies primarily feed on nectar from flowers using their proboscis. They are important pollinators for many flowering plants. Species diversity: there are thousands of butterfly species worldwide, with a wide variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. Cockroaches are a group of insects belonging to the order Blattodea. They are widely known for their resilience and adaptability, as well as their association with human environments. Despite their negative reputation, cockroaches play a role in ecosystems by helping to break down organic matter. However, their adaptability and association with unsanitary conditions have made them a challenging pest to control in human environments. Diet: cockroaches are omnivorous and will eat a wide range of organic matter. They are scavengers and can feed on food scraps, decaying plants, other insects, and even non-food materials like paper. Species diversity: there are thousands of species of cockroaches, but only a few are considered pests. The German cockroach and the American cockroach are two of the most common pest species. Beetles are a highly diverse group of insects belonging to the order Coleoptera, which is the largest order in the animal kingdom. They are known for their hard, protective forewings called elytra, which cover and protect their delicate hindwings. Beetles are found in virtually every habitat on Earth and display an incredible variety of shapes, sizes, colors, and behaviors. Feeding habits: beetles have diverse feeding habits. They can be herbivores, scavengers, predators, detritivores, feeding on decaying matter, or even parasites. Economic impact: some beetles, such as the Colorado potato beetle and the bark beetle, can have significant economic impacts by damaging crops and trees. Bumblebees are large, fuzzy, and robust members of the bee family, Apidae, that are known for their distinctive appearance, important role in pollination, and social behavior. Bumblebees play a critical role in pollinating a wide variety of plants, including many of the fruits and vegetables humans rely on for food. Their distinctive appearance and social behavior make them not only ecologically significant but also fascinating creatures to study and observe. Efforts to protect and conserve bumblebee populations are important for maintaining healthy ecosystems and ensuring food security. Dragonflies are fascinating insects known for their unique appearance, agile flight, and predatory behavior. They belong to the order Odonata, which includes dragonflies and damselflies. Dragonflies are not only ecologically important for their role as predators and indicators of ecosystem health but also captivate the human imagination with their dazzling colors and remarkable flying abilities. Observing dragonflies in their natural habitats can be a delightful and educational experience. Hornets are a group of large and aggressive social wasps that belong to the genus Vespa. They are known for their distinctive appearance, potent stings, and communal nesting behavior. Due to their potential to deliver painful stings and their tendency to defend their nests aggressively, encounters with hornets should be approached with caution. Professional pest control measures may be required if hornet nests pose a risk to humans or property. Diet: hornets are carnivorous and primarily feed on other insects, including bees, wasps, flies, and other arthropods. They capture prey by stinging it and then dismembering it with their powerful jaws. Stick insects, also known as walking sticks or phasmids, are fascinating insects known for their remarkable camouflage and slender, stick-like appearance. They belong to the order Phasmatodea and are found in various parts of the world. Stick insects are a fascinating example of nature's adaptability and the incredible ways in which organisms have evolved to survive in their environments. Their remarkable camouflage and behavior make them intriguing subjects of study for entomologists and nature enthusiasts alike. Feeding behavior. Stick insects are herbivorous and primarily feed on the leaves of various plants. Some species are highly specialized and have evolved to mimic the specific plants they feed on, further enhancing their camouflage. Red bug, also called stainer, firebug, or pyrrhocorid bug, any insect of the family Pyrrhocoridae, order Heteroptera, which contains more than 300 species. The red bug, a fairly common, gregarious, plant-feeding insect found mostly in the tropics and subtropics, is oval in shape and brightly colored with red. The genus Disdicus is one of the most destructive cotton pests in North America and India. This cotton stainer damages cotton plants by sucking the sap and destroys the cotton balls by staining them with excrement. At one time, small piles of sugarcane were put between rows of cotton and orange trees to attract the red bugs. They were then destroyed with hot water. Now dusts and sprays are used for control. Not all red bugs are destructive. In India, Dindymus larvae feed on termites, and the adults prey on flies. Moths are a diverse group of insects belonging to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes butterflies. They are known for their typically nocturnal behavior, although some species are active during the day. Moths are a diverse and ecologically important group of insects that often go unnoticed due to their nocturnal habits. While some species are considered pests, many others contribute positively to ecosystems through pollination and serving as a food source for other wildlife. Diet. Moth larvae, commonly known as caterpillars, are herbivorous and feed on plant material, such as leaves, flowers, and fruits. Adult moths, on the other hand, primarily feed on nectar from flowers or do not feed at all, depending on the species. Ladybugs, also known as ladybirds or lady beetles, are small, colorful beetles that belong to the family Coccinellidae. They are beloved by gardeners and are often associated with good luck. Ladybugs are not only beneficial to gardens and agriculture, but are also appreciated for their cheerful appearance and positive symbolism. They are a wonderful example of how insects play vital roles in ecosystems and can be helpful allies to humans in managing pest populations naturally. Diet. Ladybugs are beneficial insects because they are voracious predators of plant-feeding pests, especially aphids. They also consume other soft-bodied insects like mealybugs, scale insects, and spider mites. Cicadas are large, loud insects known for their distinctive calls and unique life cycles. They belong to the order Hemiptera and the family Cicadidae. Cicadas are remarkable insects with complex life cycles and fascinating behaviors. Their periodic emergences are a natural spectacle that captures the attention of both scientists and the general public. While their loud calls can be seen as a nuisance by some, they are an integral part of many ecosystems and have cultural significance in many parts of the world. Diet. Adult cicadas do not feed on plant material. Instead, they focus on reproducing during their relatively short adult stage. Nymphs, on the other hand, feed on the xylem fluid of plant roots, but they are not considered major pests in most cases. Wasps are a diverse group of insects belonging to the order Hymenoptera. They are known for their slender bodies, often bright colors, and ability to sting. While some wasp species are beneficial in controlling pest populations and pollinating plants, others can be considered pests themselves, especially when they build nests near human habitation and become aggressive in defense of their colonies. Managing wasp nests near homes and public spaces may be necessary for safety reasons. Diet. Adult wasps primarily feed on nectar and sweet substances. During the larval stage, wasp larvae are typically carnivorous and are fed on insects or other protein-rich food by the worker wasps. Dung beetles are a fascinating group of insects known for their ecological importance and unique behaviors. Dung beetles are important insects that play a vital role in ecosystem functioning by recycling dung, improving soil fertility and reducing the spread of diseases. Diet: as their name suggests, dung beetles primarily feed on dung. They play a crucial role in ecosystems by helping to decompose and recycle animal feces. This behavior helps to improve soil fertility and reduce the spread of diseases associated with dung. Locusts are a type of large, migratory, and highly destructive grasshopper species. They are known for their swarming behavior, which can lead to widespread crop damage and food shortages. Locusts are a type of grasshopper that can transform into swarming, highly destructive insects under specific conditions. Their ability to form massive swarms and consume large quantities of vegetation makes them a significant threat to agriculture and food security in affected regions. Efforts to control and manage locust populations are essential to mitigate their impact. Feeding habits: locusts are herbivorous and feed on a wide range of plants, primarily grasses and crops. When in their swarming phase, they can consume vast quantities of vegetation, posing a significant threat to agricultural crops and food security. Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies and moths belonging to the order Lepidoptera. These small, segmented, and often colorful creatures play a crucial role in the life cycle of these insects. Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies and moths, characterized by their segmented bodies, diverse appearances, and voracious feeding habits. They serve as a critical link in the life cycle of Lepidoptera and play important roles in ecosystems and agriculture. Feeding habits: caterpillars are voracious herbivores and feed on plant material. They often have specialized mouthparts, such as mandibles, adapted to their specific diet. Some caterpillar species are considered pests of crops and ornamental plants. Centipedes are arthropods belonging to the class Chilopoda. They are elongated, segmented creatures known for their many legs and carnivorous feeding habits. Centipedes are fascinating arthropods known for their many legs, carnivorous diet, and diverse adaptations. While some larger species can deliver painful bites, most centipedes are harmless to humans and play valuable roles as predators in terrestrial ecosystems. Diversity: there are thousands of species of centipedes worldwide, with varying sizes and ecological niches. Some are adapted to specific environments and exhibit unique behaviors. Diet: centipedes are carnivorous predators that feed on a variety of small animals, including insects, spiders, worms, and other arthropods. They use their venomous claws to immobilize and subdue their prey. Greenfly is a common name for aphids, which are small, soft-bodied insects belonging to the family Aphididae. These insects are known for their small size, piercing sucking mouthparts, and their tendency to feed on plant sap. Greenflies, or aphids, are small insects that feed on plant sap. Greenflies, or aphids, are small insects that feed on plant sap and are known for their rapid reproduction. While they can be considered pests in agriculture and gardening, they also play important roles in ecosystems as a food source for other insects and can have complex interaction with plants and insects. Feeding habit: aphids primarily feed on the sap of plants by inserting their needle-like mouthparts, called stylets, into plant tissues. They consume the sugary phloem sap and excrete a sugary substance known as honeydew. Snails are gastropod mollusks known for their distinctive coiled shells and slow, deliberate movement. They are a diverse group of animals found in terrestrial, freshwater, and marine environments. Snails are diverse and fascinating creatures with a wide range of adaptations and ecological roles. Their distinctive coiled shells and slow, deliberate movement make them easily recognizable in various habitats around the world. Feeding: most snails are herbivores and feed on plant material, algae, and detritus. They use a specialized feeding structure called a radula, which is a rasping, tongue-like organ covered in tiny teeth, to scrape and ingest food. Reproduction: snails can be hermaphroditic, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs. However, they still typically require mating with another snail to exchange sperm. After mating, they lay eggs, which hatch into juvenile snails. Skipper is a common name used to refer to a group of butterflies within the family Hesperidae. These butterflies are collectively known as skippers due to their rapid and erratic flight patterns, which make them appear to skip from flower to flower. Skippers are a diverse group of butterflies known for their unique flight patterns and distinctive antennae. They are an important part of ecosystems as pollinators and contribute to the biodiversity of butterfly species worldwide. Diversity. Skippers are a highly diverse group, and different species may have specific habitat requirements and host plant preferences. Some are more specialized, while others are generalists. Feeding. Skippers primarily feed on nectar from flowers, and they play an important role in pollination. Some species may also feed on other sources of nutrients, such as rotting fruit or animal droppings.